How to check the status of a Nordstrom refund policy based. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide that we can follow up to check the status of a Nordstrom refund based on their official policy. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can check the refund status online. We can go over and look out for Nordstrom order status, and this page right here should directly open up. If you have not signed in with your account, you can sign in with your email or password or your phone number and a code. So go ahead and enter it up and you can find the order that you want to return. Otherwise, if you're logging in as a guest, we also have the section where we can enter up the order number that we purchased and the zip code or the postal code. And once we've entered it up, we can look out for this option called Find Order and go ahead and tap on it. And we should be able to see the status column saying returned, refunded, or processing. You can just go over and follow this method. This is one of the easiest method. If you want to look out for the policy, you can also look out for need more info and tap on it, and there we should be finding different policies regarding it, such as refunds are issued to the original payment method and many more, and processing time can take 5 to 10 business days. Such kind of information that you may be looking for, you can just go over and check it out. Apart from that, we can also use our email. They should send us the email notification when we or they receive your return or the refund is issued. You can just go and check it spam or your junk folder if you do not see it in your inbox as well. And if nothing else works even after 10 business days, you can call the customer service and have your order number and return info ready, and they should help you out. And that's it, everybody. You can follow this method to check the status of a Nordstrom refund. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.